Hi guys, this is Mehnaz. I'm gonna show you a spiral knot here. I need a cord, fold it in half and around the dowel and take the cord through this loop. The important thing in a spiral knot is just start with the left cord, or you can just start with the right cord. So left cord, it's like a square knot. Now start with the left cord over the middle cord and under the right cord, under the middle cord, and take it through this loop. Now I start again with left cord over the middle cord, and other tie. Just I'm gonna to repeat the same thing. I just start with the left cord, always starting with the left cord. And just keep repeating that. As you work on it, you see that the cord start to twist. Always remember to start with the same side. I like to just keep twisting it, so it's easier for me to work on it. And there you have it. This is a spiral knot. You can design your macrame project with this knot. This is a spiral knot. Now I'm gonna show you a berry knot here. I need to lark's head knot, and I'm gonna to leave a gap about 1 centimeter here, and then I need a square knot here. Leave a gap here. This is my first square knot. I need 3 square knots. 1, 2, and third square knot here. And now take the middle cord, it's middle cord here, and take the middle cord through this gap. Now I form my berry knot here. Now I wanted to secure my cord. Now I need another square knot to secure the cord here. Make sure it's tight enough. This is my berry knot.